Guys, for 2018 car, or this car, there is no handbrake pull or anything like that. Basically, it's just it's like a switch. Basically, you pull out the switch and it's instant park. That's you should be doing that once you hook it up to the ramp. So make sure the car doesn't roll back. So basically, once you get the car on the ramp, make sure you actually pop the hood, move out the oil cap reservoir, and usually it make it once you drain the oil, it's actually smoother coming out and it's faster. That's why you want to take out the oil cap. Pop the hood. That's what I'm doing. As you see down here, it's on the passenger side. It's the oil cap. Just twist it and remove it. Pretty strong too, though, huh? There we go. And also, I can see on the oil cap. Normally, they have a the requirement of the oil is this one is OW-20, as you can see on the cap itself. We gotta go under the car, take out the drain plug, and afterward I want it to drain out and we can go after the oil filter. Let's go for it. I can see that's where the drain plug is, and that's what I'm doing. We're using a 17mm socket and a wrench. I want to break it. There it goes loose. It's very extremely hot right now because the customer drove like 45 minutes away from here, from her place, to come over here, and it's very hot. Make sure you have the drain pan on the bottom, and just loose by your hand and get ready to move your hand out of there in the hot
and
oil.
Run.
And run. Here we go. Look at that, a little messy there. Woo. There we go, that's it. Alright, you can see the oil's not dripping anymore, barely any drip. So we put the drain plug back in. Make sure you have the washer with the drain plug. Go. Hopefully I'm not blocking you, but have to, probably. There you go, nicely. Use your fingers to put it in first, and then use the 17mm socket and a ratchet. Okay. When you put it with your fingers, go with the socket, this 7mm socket, and ratchet. Okay. Make sure it's snug and tight, but you don't want to strip the drain plug either. There we go. Make sure it's straight also. There you go, that's good enough for me. And then we can go on now. Change the oil filter next. Alright, there's that oil filter, guys. What you want to do is like try to go by your hand first, but also be careful, oil will come out as well, but not as much as when you do the drain plug. It's pretty hot, so it's pretty tight here, guys. There it goes loose. Bam. There you go. And here it comes. Take it out. A little messy.
You get on your jacket again?
Not yet.
Not yet. Not yet.
Yeah, it's part of the job. Oil change. You get messy. Sometimes your clothes get dirty as well. Oil on it. But at least it's coming out. Slowly. There we go. Alright, once the oil filter comes out, put a new one in. What you want to do is you want to put some oil like on the lip of the gasket, so it'll be easier, like smoother with that when you install now. Just take a little bit. No. You see there's no more oil left dripping, so you want to install the new one in, new oil filter. Just use by your hand and just slide them in. There you go. Twist, 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 twist. and be sure it's straight and not stripping it. And a bit more. Just tighten up your hand. I think it's enough. You don't need a device or anything to tighten your oil filter. Make sure it. And that is it. That's how you install it. Hot oil filter. Alright, once the drain plug installed, put back and the oil filter put back in. The next time you want to put on oil and then make sure you do not forget that. The new oil went in is advanced full of synthetic motor oil. So W-20 for this car. Hey, look at this. Use the dollar funnel. It's fine. It's working well. So basically, they only call for 3.9 quarts, so you don't want to overfill this. Oh, it's nice and slow. Don't want to make a mess. Because if you make a mess, it's coming off. Once the engine started, you can see the smoke coming out, and your customer's going to be freaking out. So you don't want to do that. So you want like put like 3 quarts, and then you check it. You want to make sure. You want to overflow it. It's better be a little under than over. So if it's over, you get potential of your gasket break, explode. Alright, that should be enough for now. Let's check it. Hey guys, as you can see, we actually put in roughly about 4 quarts in there, and we have a little over 1 left right now. And actually, we're gonna actually put the oil cap back on, and we're gonna drive down the ramp to check the level of the car. You want to be flat when you check the level to see how much the oil is out in the engine already. Once you cross the level on the ground, you want to recheck it. You want to make sure the level is properly in there. You're in the middle of the high, between low and high. Wipe it down with a Greenigo red, rag, and perfect. It's in the middle between low and high. That's what you want. Hey guys, we refill the proper oil level, and what we're doing is just put the cap back on, and we just look under the car to see if any oil leak. Want to make sure there's no leak at all, and then we're good to go. So put the cap back on. Make sure, please, don't forget it. So it's good. Sure.